almost finished. Do you see now next?
Yes.
Lesson number Tanween. What is it? What is Tanween? Definition of Tanween.
Tanween is, you know, Tanween is no, I
What
don't
is Tanween? What is Tanween?
I don't remember.
Double Fatha, double Kasra, and double Damma we call Tanween. In this lesson, all Tanween moments also you was finished. Is it Fatha, Kasra, and Damma? Is it moments? And Tanween, double Fatha, double Kasra, and double Damma we call Tanween. And moments mean like Fatha, Kasra, and Damma. Okay. In this lesson, we are talking about both of them. Okay. Also moments coming and also Tanween letter coming. Have a student contact letter and practice. If they cannot contact the letter currently, revise previous lesson. If you didn't read good this one, I will teach you previous one. Okay. Until the master previous lesson, don't go ahead. This is a one of most important rules of students are thought to be a perfectful with it. Like look at here. Like alif fatha a, this is the moment, ba fatha ba, this is moment, and dal double fatha dan. This is a tanween sign. Okay.
Okay.
So first we read with spell
Wait,
like
again.
alif fatha a, ba fatha ba, a ba, dal double fatha dan, a ba dan. Okay.
Okay.
In this lesson also tanween and moments use. You need to practice yourself. Okay.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.